Hey, so today is March 27th. Yeah, super hot. Going to get some food. I was saying it felt like a little bit hot. It's like 38. My GoPro doesn't focus very good, but it says it feels like 48. And every day is like this, like for a week almost. But Surat is gonna be better. Yo, so I packed my stuff. Got some kind of bugs laid eggs on my backpack. I think so. Yeah, it looked like moths or something. Yeah, so my bus is like in 2 hours, maybe less. I'm gonna go get a shower. I'm leaving 11 p.m. and arriving 8:30 a.m. Yeah. Yo, so I'm in Surat. They let me go in some kind of market. I don't know why, but I still don't have internet. So probably something with the settings. I need to get a shop. Yeah, so some kind of morning market. Looks very messy, but yeah, probably chose not the best hotel. Near the main street. Damn. So first time I experienced this. Like, they don't allow foreigners. I don't know why, but yeah, but the hotel looks very run down too. Indians also are not staying because the room are not good. Yo, so this is my other room. It's called Fob Happiness. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I don't know. They ask for passport. They ask for visa. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's pretty. There is a toilet, of course. A shower, sink. I don't know. Looks kind of proper to be honest. Like, I like it. I like how it looks. Yeah, so it's 1,200. Woo! And I saw like there's a lot of buses to Udaipur. So there's like a bus 11 a.m. no problem. So I'm pretty good with it. Yeah. So this place even has like a gym. I don't know, it looks kind of closed. Yeah. 1,200 if you go like directly. They ask for two, but yeah. I showed them the booking made me an offer for 2 nights, 2,200 plus 400 taxes, and he said 1,200. Okay. So yeah, always negotiate. Yeah, so Dawson mix 1 PG 45. Yeah, I just want Dawson's, I don't want a mix. But yeah. Shri say not. Yeah, it's closed, man. Yeah, it's closed. So I'm staying here, and you have everything you need here, like pan, chai, dos. Yes. Huh? Yeah, so not that far away there is like the Statue of Unity. Well, it is far away, it's 160 kilometers, but it's the world's biggest statue. Huh. Maybe I'll go, maybe not. Let's see. So, never happened to me before, but on booking policies, they said we don't accept foreigners. It was only one hotel, Fab Hotel, near Udva Junction. I'll show you later. But I called them, they said we won't give you a refund because you're a foreigner, you needed to read the policy. And I just made a dispute on Revolut, it gave me back the money. They suggested me to give other hotel, you know, but I don't know, it's still kind of silly. They don't give you the service and expect you to pay money. So read every time, like read the policy. Do they accept foreigners or don't? Because one time maybe you'll pay like 100 euro and they said no more hotel, you know, you won't get it or something. Yo, so I'm at the bus station. I'm gonna go check out GSRTC bus for Statue of Unity. Yeah, so there is a couple of stations. It seems like not this one, but other has also. This one only has like 7 a.m. bus from platform 126. So I'm finally back at my hotel. Took me an hour to get back from the station. Yeah, but it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. So like I said before, there's one bus at 7 a.m. from the main station of Surat. Yeah, so to see that big, the world's biggest statue, yeah, it will be cool. I'll see. But I need to wake up like 5 a.m. I don't know. Yeah, what else? Probably like staying here 3 nights. There's a lot of buses to Udaipur, so not a big problem. So yeah, ending this day, March 28th. See you guys tomorrow.